In this video, let me show you how to use the Wells Fargo Intuitive Investor account. Now, in order to use this feature or in order to use this account, you need to complete an online questionnaire to be matched with your automated portfolio. So what you need to do is either open up your web browser, simply search for Wells Fargo Intuitive Investor account, which will then take you to a similar screen where you'll need to first of all log into your account, or you can also follow this process using the mobile app, where you simply need to find the option or the section of Wells Fargo Intuitive Investor. Now, once you're inside of this section, as I said, you'll need to fill in a questionnaire, which includes your financial goals, your time horizon, as well as your risk tolerance. Once this step is complete, you'll need to fund your account with at least $500 and let the Robo advisor systematically manage your investments. So once you have funded your account and once you have agreed to all of the terms and services, the Robo or the EA will automatically trade for you based on the questionnaire that you filled in. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to use the Wells Fargo Intuitive Investor account. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.